making Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queenies, and I am back with this banger video, guys. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? So if you are new in the house and you happen to stumble upon this video, this is the place. Just stay right there and stick to this video. For those of you that know, and for those of you that don't know, once again, my name is Queenies, and this is my channel where I post a lot of beauty stuff, other entertaining things, anything you want to see, I'm gonna do for sure. See, I decided to do Goddess of Swam Lake. If this goes as Swam Lake, but I love this look, as you can tell, and the girl is looking yummy. Yummy. Actually look like a goddess. So before I continue, before I bore you guys with talk, if you want to see how I came about this blue goddess look, this is the video, so just keep watching. And before we proceed into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, why not do that right now? Subscribe, the button is down there. I am waiting. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And also, I know you're going to like this video. I can see you already like it, so just give it a big thumbs up right away. Give it a like, right away. I am waiting also. Thank you for doing that. And also click the bell button, because that is important. You will not miss out on fun things like this. You understand? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's just go right into the video. So I'm making use of my benign Crown White eyeshadow base. This is it I'm applying, and I'm blending it into my skin. Straight into the eyeshadow. I'm going into this my eyeshadow palette, which is no name because I don't know the name, and I'm making use of that black shade that you can see, and I'm making use of a brush that is shaped like a pencil. That's a sharp end, and I'm using to apply the color to my crease line. And the reason being is that I don't want the color to move away from where I want it to be. I want it to be exactly on my crease line. Then I go back into my palette and I make use of that marine blue color, and I apply it again on top of the black just to intensify. If you know me really well, I love intensity when it comes to eyeshadow. I love it to be popping and looking yummy. Then I go back into my romantic eyeshadow palette, 120 eyeshadow palette, and I make use of another marine shade because it's more deeper. Then I go into my Beauty by Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. I don't know the name, can't remember, but you can see the palette, and I'm making use of that blue, and I'm still intensifying, guys. Just look at that intensity. Can you see that? So I'm just intensifying the colors of my crease. I really want that pigment, I want that intensity, I want that popping, so I'm just going over it. Then I'm making use of that light blue from that same palette, and I'm just applying it to the upper part of my brow bone, and I'm just creating a seamless blend between the two colors, as you can see. Then the next thing, I'm gonna cut crease. We're cutting our crease, and this crease, as you can see from the other eye, you already know what kind of crease I'm cutting. All I'm doing is just cutting the crease shape. You understand? So we are done with the cutting crease something, and I'm going back into this my romantic 120 eyeshadow palette, and I'm making use of that shades of blue, those two shades of blue I touched. I'm making use of it and I'm applying it to the upper parts of my crease, as you can see. Then I'm going to be, if you can look at the other eye, you see exactly what I did there. So I'm not going to be applying it to everything. I'm just going to be applying it to the upper part of the crease and leaving the eyeliner parts left. Yes, left. So as you can see, that is done. Then I'm going to my eyeliner part, making use of my ADS eyeliner gel, and I'm just using a very tiny angled brush to draw my normal eyeliner. Now I'm not going to make it well defined. I'm just going to apply it because I'm still going to blend and blend. So I'm going into this my No Name palette, and I'm making use of a black shade in it, and I'm going to be making use of that smudger brush by Coastal Scent, and I'm just going to use to smudge the black shade on my liner, my eyeline, my eyeline. I'm just going to smudge and smudge and smudge, just smudging. Then I'm going to go back into it again and make use of that marine blue, and I'm also going to smudge and smudge and smudge my liner. Just going to smudge it to just create that effect that I need. I'm just making use of my dark foundation to just clean up the mess at the side, just to make it well defined and have that sharp illusion you understand. This makeup look is giving me all the vibes. So I'm going back into my 120 romantic eyeshadow palette, and I'm making use of that yellow metallic shade, and I'm just applying it to my tear duct area. My tear duct, I'm just applying it to just give that pop of color, as you can see. So you mustn't forget the waterline also, because this part also gives life to the makeup look. As you can see, even though my head was already going out of the camera view, I am applying the metallic yellow also in my lid to just add more life and more sparks. If it was even showing, okay, it was showing, yeah. Then I'm applying that black using that same smudger brush I used earlier, and I'm just going to apply it to the lower part of my lash line below. And I'm just applying it, just really applying it, smudging it in. And I'm doing this for both eyes because I didn't do it for the other eye earlier. Lower lash line game, I'm going in with that marine blue that we used earlier, and I'm just applying it below the black, just slightly blending both the black and the marine blue together to just give that effect and bring more life, open my eyes wide more. As you can see, I was really feeling this look. Then I'm back into my 120 romantic eyeshadow palette, and I'm making use of that blue. As you can see, I'm applying it. I also almost covered my my whole face. Guys, pardon me for this. I totally was concentrating. So I'm just applying it to the lower part of the marine blue also, and just slightly blending the marine blue and the light blue together. I fixed my lashes of the camera because you know me, I am super clumsy when it comes to lashes. And for my lippies, I'm making use of those 3 colors. Yeah, I know, 3 colors. I'm making use of them. One from Classic, one from Huda Beauty, 2 from Huda Beauty. Before applying any of the lippies, I'm just lining my lips using my Davis pencil in black, and I'm really lining it, drawing the outline of my lips. Yeah. Then I'm just going in with the first lippy, which is a very I don't know the name. It's a blue, as you can see. Then I'm applying the black, and I'm really applying the black. Then to the center, I applied that blue also, and just mount and blend it well. Yeah. Then for the ombre effect, I'm making use of my LA Pride concealer in Warm Honey, and I'm just applying to the center and blending using my both mouths. Yeah. So here's the ombre effect. I hope you guys love the look. I love it, especially those eyes, man, and the lips too. Then I'm making use of those stones and tweezer. I'm going to be applying it, just creating something pretty on my face to complement the whole look and all that. So I couldn't make use of my tweezer. I realized I had to make use of my hand. As you can see, I'm just placing several stones and everything in my face, just get a very creative look. Done, so I'm just adding last touches by applying mascara to my lashes, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. As you can see those eyes, man. I was just so in love with the eye, like the color combo is really daring, and yeah, you guys looking yummy. So I hope you guys really enjoy this wonderful creation of mine, wonderful creativity. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, to be very frank now, you guys should drop what you think about this look. Drop it down below, and do not forget, as I said earlier, to subscribe, like, and share this video. And before I forget, check me out on my Instagram page at quick_eves. You can get the picture there. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.